Hi, everyone. Welcome to another series of our bariatric cooking classes. Today, I'll be showing you how to make an Italian pasta salad. First, we're going to bring a large pot of water, salted water, to a boil, and we're going to boil 4 cups of broccoli florets for just 15 seconds. And then we're going to remove the broccoli from the water, and I transferred it to water that had ice in it to stop the cooking process, or you could run it under cold tap water. That would work as well. And then the next step is we are going to, in the same water, we're going to cook Banza chickpea pasta. This is the rotini style, and we're gonna cook it for the amount of minutes listed in the box until it's soft but not too soft. So it's always a good idea to check it ahead of time and make sure that you're not overcooking it. And then we're gonna transfer the cooked pasta once it's cooled to a large bowl. Actually, I ended up using a different bowl to mix it because there were too many ingredients. And we're gonna add the broccoli that we cooked. We're also gonna add 1.5 cups of quartered and diced cucumber, 1.5 cups of cherry tomatoes sliced in half a cup of thinly sliced red onion, half a cup of low-fat mozzarella cheese, shredded mozzarella, 1/4 cup of black olives, a 1/4 cup of sliced pepperoncini, and I went ahead and gave it a rough chop just to make them even a little bit smaller. Now we're gonna set the bowl aside and make the dressing. In a small bowl, we're gonna mix a 1/4 cup and 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 2 garlic cloves finely minced, a 1/4 cup and 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and half a teaspoon of dried parsley. We're gonna whisk that together, get it well combined, and then we're gonna incorporate this with the pasta and the vegetables, which I had to transfer to the pot where I cooked the pasta because it was so much, I just couldn't mix it in that bowl. So I drizzle the dressing on top, give it a really good stir, and this tastes delicious if you serve it right away, or you can let it sit for a little bit, 15-30 minutes before serving. And this stayed really fresh for another 2 days in the refrigerator. The entire family will enjoy this. The chickpea pasta gives a little boost of protein, even though it's a side. And it's just so refreshing with all the vegetables. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.